Welcome to Mary's Menagerie. I visited the Goodwill bins in Tulsa, and I am going to be doing a Goodwill bins find transformation. I'm going to turn a metal mailbox into a front porch planter. I found this metal mailbox in the Goodwill bins. It was black. I spray painted it white, and now I am sanding off any texture that the spray paint put on the mailbox. Now I am taking a wet rag to wipe off all the dust. This is what it looked like before I put the transfers on it. I purchased these Iron Orchard Designs transfers at my local craft mall. And this is the first one that I'm going to add to my mailbox. I cut it out, and now I'm trying to decide where I'm going to put it on the mailbox. And I'm going to remove the backing. This little tool that I'm using comes in the IOD package, and it's very useful to help you rub it on. It was pretty challenging rubbing this onto the mailbox. You can see the texture from the metal, and so it actually took me a pretty long time to scratch it all off. If I started to pull it off and something was left behind, then I just laid it back down again and rubbed it a little bit more. I put my hand in a Ziploc bag and I put the plastic coating back on it, and I just rubbed it really good just to make sure everything was attached. This is what the transfer looked like when I was finished. I picked out a second transfer and I rubbed it on the top left side of the mailbox. I purchased these stencils at Hobby Lobby, and I decided to add some numbers to the mailbox. I now am going to take some copy paper and tape that on to protect the part of the mailbox that I don't want to get any paint on. I purchased these sponge daubers at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this multi-surface satin paint to paint the letters. Because of the curved surface, I had to hold down the inside parts of the stencil with my finger, so it didn't come out perfect, but I was able to fix it by touching up with first white paint and then some more black paint. let it dry for a little bit, and then I remove the white paper and I remove the stencils. This is the Folk Art Multi-Surface Paint, the white, and I'm going to touch it up with a very sharp paintbrush just to make it look a little bit neater. I first use the white, and then in a little bit I will use black. And now I am coming in with the black to touch up any spots that need a final touch. Next, I came in with some 120 grit sandpaper to kind of rough up the black letters. The final step, I came in with some clear coat Rust-Oleum spray to kind of seal everything in, and this is how it turned out. I added some potting soil and a couple small plants, and this is what it would look like on a porch. Stay tuned for some more projects from items purchased at the Goodwill bins. The Goodwill bins are my new obsession. Thank you for watching Mary's Menagerie. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.